Hi, okay, so this is a Kinect. So you've got a battery pack. Taking the cover off that at the moment. It's got an on and off switch at the side. So you see when it's on, the indicator light will illuminate on the side of the connection box. So the second connection that comes out is a USB cable, and it plugs in via the adapter into the tablet. So looking at the tablet at the minute, if you're familiar with tablets, you can see that you've got the tiled appearance, and that's in tablet mode. So from the bottom right hand corner, if we swipe like in that motion, you'll see that you can toggle the tablet mode off, and you'll get more of a traditional like laptop or desktop type appearance. And you'll see that the toolbars are actually at the bottom. So you've got the Kinect recorder, the purple SLS is your toolkit, and then the white box with the blue center is fast. Fast can also be accessed via a file on the desktop, or by pressing the start menu. You'll see the toolkit and also the fast button there, so we can drag the fast one up to the top and stick him up there if we please. So for fast, if we just stay in tablet mode, that's the easiest. You'll see that you need to connect. So once we connect, you'll see it says the sensor's initialized, and then you'll see the depth camera just pointing up at the moment, so there's not a great deal for it to look at. You'll see the depth camera, and then my hand go in front of it. If it's black, it could be a couple of things. It could be that you're too close, and the camera's registering on something very near. Another interesting feature is mirror mode. So if we flip the mirror mode, you'll currently see this shape to that side. If we flip mirror mode, you'll see now it's gone to the other side, so you can actually mirror the actual image that you're looking at. Whereas when we go to the Kinect itself, just go back into tablet mode. Trying to get this right here. Right, tablet mode. So when we're back in tablet mode, if I go on to the Kinect developing toolkit, for recording we'd recommend using the OBS Studio rather than the Kinect recorder, and we'd recommend recording to an SD card rather than the internal memory of the tablet, so you don't clog that up and slow it down. So once on the toolkit, if we scroll down, the main app that you'll see used is the Kinect D2D Explorer. So to the right, you'll see a run button. If we press run, you'll see that pops up, and the tablet will start to connect. If it goes to a white screen, or it goes back to this screen, nothing happens, press run again. But what you'll notice is that this time again, which says about the black screen, if there's too many sessions open, it'll be black. You can only have one session open at a time. You can check that by swiping from the center of the tablet and inwards. So you'll see we've opened a lot of sessions up there, which again will slow down the tablet and make it laggy. So you're best to close all of those out individually before swiping in left and then finding the actual live window. So like you'll see there, you'll see that on this app it's back to front, so whilst the movement's going in that way, it's mirrored on the actual Kinect itself. So the next interesting mode you'll want to use is by tapping on the colour stream, then on the resolution. You get these different modes you can play with, but most of them are colour, apart from the infrared. That's where it sends out the infrared array, so even in the dark it'll pick up and you'll be able to sense your skeletons or skeletal tracking in the dark. So again, if you want to close things down, you can either use a traditional method of closing the X's, or you can swipe from the center and you can close things down here. If you want to run from desktop mode rather than tablet, switch tablet mode off. You'll then be greeted by the desktop. You can go down to the bottom and then you can double tap the icon and it'll bring up the menus again. But obviously it's a lot more difficult then if you've got multiple windows open. But you can use the same approach, swipe in and then close down the unnecessary ones.